So we'll continue maths solving. See, we have completed up to 86 questions first part in the last video. So I'm just seeing the second part of that question. See, read the following information and answer the 3 items that follow. From that first one we have already done 86. Now I want you to do 87th question. So they have given g of x and h of x, and they have said about f of x also. We have to do the 87th question. 87th question. Okay, before that, please note down g of x is sin x by 4, h of x is cos 4x by 5. Okay, now we have to do the 87th question. This question. What is the period of the function h of x? What is the period of the function h of x? Period of the function h of x. Try, all of you. Once you get the answer, just comment that. G of x is sin x by 4, h of x is cos 4x by 5. So here we need h of x, isn't it? H of x, that is cos 4x by 5. 4x by 5. Try which option will give you 2 pi plus. Okay, did you get the answer? Okay, see. Have you got it as 5 pi by 2? 5 pi by 2. See, I'm going to just substitute h of x 5 pi by 2. So what I'll get it as cos. In the place of x, I have to put 5 pi by 2, isn't it? So 4 by 5, x plus 5 pi by 2. Then that will become cos 4x by 5 plus 5 into 420, 5 into 420, 20 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 4 by 2, 2 pi. So I'll get 2 pi. So that will be cos 2 pi plus 4x by 5, isn't it? See, so what is cos 2 pi plus 4x by 5? 2 pi means I'll reach here. So plus 4x by 5. So this cycle again repeats, isn't it? So that is cos 4x by 5. So my answer is option C, 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2. Isn't it? 5 pi by 2. Now, go to the next question. So that was also a simple question. If you have seen the last video, you might be knowing how to do that. Now, what is the third part of that question? Third part is you have to find out the period of f of x plus f of x is equal to h of x plus g of x. can show the question. What is the period of the function f of x? What is the period of the function f of x? Okay, so h of x we have cos 4x by 5. F g of x we have sin x by 4. We have to find f of x, period of function f of x. F of x is equal to g of x plus h of x. Okay, we have to find the period of the function f of x, where f of x is g of x plus h of x. And g of x is sin x by 4, h of x is cos 4x by 5. Do everyone, please try. Find the period of this function. So what are the options? 10 pi, 20 pi, 40 pi, 80 pi. So when you substitute which of these, we are getting the same function. That is what you have to check. Try each option you try and comment your answer once you get that. Okay, have you got the answers? 40 pi, 40 pi. Let's see. So I'm just substituting g of x. So g of x, that is g of x is sin x by 4. So if I put 40 pi plus x, what I'll get? Sin 40 pi plus x by 4 plus cos 4 by 5 in the place of x. It is 40 pi plus x, isn't it? So what I'll get? I'll get sin 10 pi plus x by 4, isn't it? Plus here what I'll get? This is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5. Okay. So that will be 5 and 40 will go 8, isn't it? 5 and 40 will go 8. So 8 into 4, 32. So that will be cos 32 pi plus 4x by 5, isn't it? 32 pi plus 4x by 5. So it is sin 10 pi plus x by 4. 10 pi will be here, isn't it? 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi will come here. So the cycle will be repeated after this. So this is sin x by 4 plus 32 pi will also come here because 2 pi, 4 pi, 10, 6 pi, all even multiples come here, isn't it? So that will be cos 4x by 5. So you are getting sin x by 4 and cos 4x by 5 when you put 40 pi. So the answer is option C, 40 pi. 40 pi. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Read the following information and answer the two items that follow. Consider the function f of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 20x cubed minus 12x square plus 288x plus 1. In which one of the following intervals is the function increasing? In which one of the following intervals is the function increasing? So they have given the intervals. You have to find in which of these intervals this function is increasing. Okay, so please try all of you. Comment your answers. Very easy direct question. How to check whether a function is increasing? You have to find the derivative, isn't it? And check whether that is greater than or equal to 0. If that is greater than or equal to 0 in any interval, we can say the function is increasing in that interval. Okay, so see, try. Find f dash of x. That means take the derivative. F dash of x. F dash of x is 12x cube minus 60x square minus 24x plus 288, isn't it? So you have to check in which of these intervals this function is increasing, isn't it? So take all the intervals and check. Before that, shall we simplify this? See, from this I can take 12 common, isn't it? So I am just taking 12x cube minus 60x square minus 24x plus 288. I'm going to see whether this is greater than or equal to 0 in any of these intervals. So I'm taking 12 common, means I'll get x cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24 greater than or equal to 0. So I need to find which of any number is there, or how can I factorize this? Okay. So x minus 2 is a factor of this, or x plus 2 is a factor. How to get for one factor? You can put, you have just see, you put 1 and see, 1 cube minus 5. So 1 minus 5 minus 2 plus 24. That is not equal to 0. So that is not a factor. Then check 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 5 into 2 square, 20 minus 2 into 8, 16 plus 24, that also not equal to 0. Now put minus 2. When you put minus 2 for x, you will get this function as 0. That means if minus 2 is a 0, then means x plus 2 is a factor. Then x plus 2, when you divide with this function, you will get the function as x square minus 7x plus 12 greater than or equal to 0. Now you have to middle term split this one. So x plus 2, when you do middle term splitting, you will get this as x minus 3, x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So the three factors are x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4. Okay, so for this to be increasing function, x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. That means x less than or equal to minus 2, isn't it? Then x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. That means x greater than or equal to positive 3. Then x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. That means x greater than or equal to positive 4, isn't it? So I need increasing function, isn't it? So where does this is an increasing function? That is an increasing function in the interval 3 and 4. 3 to 4. 3 comma 4. So my answer is option B, 3 comma 4. Option B, 3 comma 4. Okay. So only thing that you have to know is you have to factorize this. So how to factorize? Any doubt in factorizing a cubical equation? That is how you can do. First of all, you have to guess one. Like you have to put 1, 2, 3. Maximum you will get that in 1 or minus 1 or 2 or minus 2 or maximum 3 or minus 3. In that you should surely get such kind of questions only they will give. Okay. So you will get positive minus 2 means you can put that as x plus 2. Then you have to divide that x plus 2 divided by this. You will get this quadratic function. Then you have to do middle term split. Anyhow, you have to factorize. Then only you can simplify. You have to factorize this cubical equation. Okay. So let's go to the next question. In which one of the following intervals is the function decreasing? In which one of the following intervals is the function decreasing? So same function, so that's why question is easy. decreasing. In which of the following intervals function is decreasing? So we have already got the same question now. So f dash of x you have found out already. Then up to this much you have did in the last question. Okay. Now you have to check where it is decreasing. So we have simplified this as x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4. Here decreasing means less than or equal to 0. Decreasing means less than or equal to 0. So what you will get? Here you will get x plus 2 less than or equal to 0 means that will become x greater than or equal to minus 2, isn't it? Then x minus 3 less than or equal to 0 means that is x less than or equal to positive 3. Then x minus 4 less than or equal to 0 means x less than or equal to positive 4. Okay, so where do you get the function as decreasing? Function is decreasing in which interval? When x is decreasing function, which is a decreasing function in the interval minus 2 comma 3, isn't it? Minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. It is decreasing when x is in between minus 2 and 3. Minus 2 and 3. That is x greater than minus 2 less than 3. So minus 2 comma 3. Option A. Minus 2 comma 3. That was also direct question. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Read the following 3 items. Read the following information. Answer the 3 items that follow. F of x is given. G of x is given. What are the roots of the equation? G of f of x is equal to 0. 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. 1 1 0 comma 1. You have to do G of f of x equal to 0 and then find the root. Okay, so try all of it. Just find the roots. Once you get, comment the answers. What are the roots of the equation? Please try. Okay. So G of f of x. So what is G of means? 5. G of x means that is 5x plus 30. So G of f of x means in the place of x you have to put, in the place of x you have to put f of x, isn't it? You have to put f of x. So how you will do? 5 in the place of x you put f of x, x square plus 2x minus 5 plus 30. So that is 5x square plus 10x minus 25 plus 30. So that is 5x square plus 10x plus 5, isn't it? So you have to find the roots of this equation. So if I take 5 common, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that is x square plus 1x plus 1x plus 1 equal to 0. So if I take x common, x plus 1 plus if I take 1 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1, minus 1. So answer is option B. Minus 1, minus 1. Option B, minus 1, minus 1. Very direct question. So you have to know the meaning of g of f of x. G of f of x means in g of x, wherever you have x, you have to put f of x. That's all. Okay. So answer is option B. Now see the next question. Have you copied this? Consider the following statements. F of g of x is a polynomial of degree 3. F of g of x is a polynomial of degree 3. G of x is a polynomial of degree 2. Which of the following statements are correct? One only, two only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Okay, I'm showing the equations again. This is a sub question of the other question. See, you have to check f of, so this is a 92nd question I'm saying, f of g of x. Okay, so try f of g of x, comment it. Now comment the answers. F of g of x. So f of g of x is 5x plus 30. That means in f of x, wherever there is x, you have to put 5x plus 30. So that is here. In the place of x, you have to put 5x plus 30. So 5x plus 30 the whole square plus 2 into 5x plus 30 minus 5, isn't it? So I'm doing the remaining part over here. What you have to do, you need not simplify this completely. What we have to check whether the degree is 3. You check from here itself. You can check that, no, whether you're getting the degree as 3. Whether you're getting the degree as 3. See, when you square this, maximum degree coming is square, isn't it? So degree is not 3. See, when you open this, no need to open, that will take more time. So no need to open. You have to just check. When you square this, only the degree that is possible is 2. We cannot get a cube over here, isn't it? So degree is not 3. Here degree is 2. Degree means what? Highest power. So when you open this 25x square, that will be coming. So that is square only. So degree is 2. So the first statement is wrong. Now go for the second statement. G of x is degree 2. G of x means G of x. That is G of x is what? 5x plus 30. So wherever x is there in G of x, you have to put 5x plus 30. So in the place of this, you have to put 5x plus 30 plus 30. So see that. See this also, when you open, what you maximum coming is 25x, isn't it? That means degree is 1. So the second statement is also wrong. The degree you are getting 1, the other one degree you are getting 2. So both the statements are wrong. So neither 1 nor 2. Which of the following statements are correct? They are asking. So neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2. That is the answer. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2. That is the correct answer. Neither 1 nor 2. Okay. Now go to the third part of the question. Third part of the question, or third sub question. 93, question number 93. If h of x is equal to 5 into f of x minus x into g of x, what is the derivative of h of x? If h of x is equal to 5 into f of x minus x into g of x, what is derivative of h of x? So first of all, you have to write what is f of x. I'll again show the question because this is a sub question. I have to show that again. See, this is the f of x. Please note down. Anybody who haven't note down f of x and g of x, please note down. F of x is x square minus, so x square plus 2x minus 5. G of x is 5x plus 30. Okay, now come back to the 93rd question. Yeah, you have to get h of x as 5f of x minus xg of x. So what is f of x over here? F of x is x square plus 2x minus 5. G of x is what? 5x plus 30. So 5 into f of x means 5 into f of x is x square plus 2x minus 5 minus x into g of x. G of x is 5x plus 30. So open it. 5x square plus 10x minus 25 minus 20 minus 5x square minus 30. So this is going, you are getting 10x minus 55, isn't it? That is h of x. Now what is the derivative of? Isn't it? See here, there is an x over here, no? So we cannot do this. This is 30x now, minus 30x. Yeah, so this is not 55. See, the x I have multiply. See, that is next minus 30x. So this will be 10x minus 30x, that is minus 20x minus 25, isn't it? So now I need to take the derivative of h of x. So h dash of x is minus 20. H dash of x is minus 20. See, I didn't multiply this x over here. That is 30, no? 30x. So 10x minus 30x, that is minus 20x minus 25. So that is minus 20. Option B. Minus 20. So option B is the correct answer.